First ball, it's swing and a miss, and it's far away from the white line. Runs on the scoreboard. Short ball, it's pulled the trigger, and it finds a field, a great piece of work from the fielder. A single runs on the scoreboard. Such an opening with a Adesh. Another shot at the canvas. Sadeep. What a trick from the bowler. And 3 balls to go. Pulled away, but into the hands of the fielder. It finds a fielder with Raptarai Atlas Kudal brothers in the batters. Short ball, Chadi and Canala Samami. It finds a brilliant piece of catch. What an effort from the fielder. It showing a ruthless effort. Wide. Loud shout, loud shout, loud shout. Everyone are interested. It's wait for the call from the official. What is? They are on the royal track. First ball in the air, it's a chance. And on Saddam strikes for team DC Warriors in the very first ball. The Warriors are here. Tutuvai irikukayanu oru wicketugalo. Situation. Rahul Rajiv oru cut shot. 3 for 3. Perfection by Saddam. But oh, look at that effort by Harish Pandey. In behind the 3 to go. Wow, excellent stop from Sadeep and Saddam. Yes, thank you. Anu Karakonam on side like oru valiya shot കളിക്കാനുള്ള ശ്രമം നടത്തുന്നു. Cross shot. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി മികവ് പുലർത്താൻ സദ്ദാം രാഹുൽ ദ്രാവിഡിനെ ഒരു വെടി.
ഗണേശൻ എന്തൊരു ഉഗ്രം കളിയായിരുന്നു.
ഒന്നാം നിലയിൽ തന്നെ നിൽക്കുന്ന സദ്ദാം. Please keep your quality. Shidin is a new bowler. First ball. Stars. Oh my goodness! Wicket. Look at that wicket keeper. Repeatil poi tirichidichittu. Full pace and a full control by Shidin Joy. Again, short length delivery gets a right. Again, a good try. Oh, it's gone. No time to waste for the ball. It's a wicket. Rahul Rajiv. Odi ottathine. Short ball in the air. Oh, it's clear the boundary line for a maximum. It's much needed point at last. Bubble with the ball at the ball in the near the sixer Virakano. Full toss back share. Sixer nedan. Single കൊണ്ട് Shaheen in the air. This time Sandeep collected cleanly. Wicket to start by Alvin into the contest. Scenario. Great piece of 10 and good carry by Harish Pant. അടുത്ത മത്സരത്തിനായി Aston City boys get ready. And Narasimham, please get ready for the toss. And a good effort by Sandeep. Narasimham captain and Aston City boys captain.
Agila.
Edge and clean sound. Wicket another gone. Anu Karakonam departs. What a comeback by team TC Barriers. മൂന്ന് ടീമുകളുടെ ലിസ്റ്റ്. ജയേഷ് റൈറ്റ് അവേ ജയകരമായ ഷോട്ടുമായി ജയേഷ് കള്ളത്തിലേക്ക്.
നമ്മുടെ ടീമിൽ നമ്മൾ കളിച്ച പിള്ളേരൊക്കെ നല്ല കൂടുതലും
24 for 6.
അൽത്താഫ് വന്നപ്പോഴും അവന്മാരോട് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്.
Where is the ball? It's a clear call for an over.
അൽത്താഫ് ഞങ്ങളെ ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞ അവിടെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട് കൗണ്ട് കളിയുന്നു.
It's a wide. Extras. No ball.
കുത്തുന്നവിടെ എന്തോ ഇട്ടേക്കുന്നു. ഈ പിച്ച
Good shot. Good point, and it's boundary. Now some release. Very good ball. പുറകിലൊരു മതില് പോലെ ഹരീഷ് പാണ്ഡ്യ അങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. Kallesh with a good connection. ലീഗലായി ബാക്കിയാകുന്നു. പഞ്ച്. For a catch. വഞ്ചി പിടിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കിഴികനെ പോലെയാ പന്ത്. Now it's Irish. What a pace. Top ball to end of the over. 35 to complete their innings. 36 to win. 36ന്റെ വിജയ ലക്ഷ്യമായി DC Barriers-ന്റെ ബാറ്റേഴ്സ് എത്തുമ്പോൾ അറ്റ്ലസ് കുന്നൽ ബ്രദേഴ്സിന്റെ ബൗളേഴ്സ് ഇനി അടുത്തൊരു ഹരീഷ് പാണ്ഡ്യ. Very well ball, but outside. Well ball.
കഴിഞ്ഞ ദയനീയമായിട്ട് തോറ്റല്ലേ മൂവാറ്റുപുഴ.
Well placement by Sandeep. Heads and gone. Bunny back. Aravind strikes for team Atlas Kunal Brothers. ഞാൻ ഓർമ്മപ്പെടുത്തിയതാണ് അറ്റ്ലസ്.
എവിടത്തെ
Well played. Just a punch on this. onside and a single taken. An end of the first over. 5 for 1 to complete the first over. Oh, Sandeep swinging the blade on the very first ball of this over number 2. 25 needed from 23. It's like a run air ball matter. Look at the play work of Sandeep. That is quality of a leader. Very well ball. Dot ball taken by Kalesh. Switchy try. It's a leg by single. Yes, it's a leg by single. Good shot. What a glorious one by Sandeep. Cunning connection into the offside. Shot. He shuffled across and it bangs it over the mid wicket for a mighty hit. Now it's simple things for this and so far.
Out.
Gone. Cleaned him up. Good one. Again, a good piece of delivery. It's lightly on the pads. 3 dot balls. Good shot into the onside. Sandeep with a full cracker of a shot. Another single taken. An end of the over. 12 ബോളിൽ 11 വീണ്ടും അല്പം ടൈറ്റ് ആകുന്ന മത്സരം കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയ ഓവറിൽ സന്ദീപ്
കളിക്കോ
Another good. He just plays it well into the fine leg. And it's fine, just a single. Full length one.
ഈ ബെഞ്ചാണെന്ന് ഹെഡ്സെറ്റ് ഇവൻ ബെഞ്ചാണ്
Led by six. Oh, it goes on the 7 ball. Very well ball. It's a dot ball and a 6 ball 8 to win. Kula ചെയ്യുന്ന കാഴ്ച. Hits it well. 8 clear. Yes. Done the things on the very first ball. Now it's just a 2 need. A champion for team TC Barriers. Full length. Dot ball. 4 ball 2. Out of 6. Full toss 1. Handle collected cleanly. It's like a partnership catch. Still the possible 5 here. 3 balls 2 now. Oh, played it into the back end. Single done. Scores are level. 2-1. 1. Easy Varys, Aravind Balu into the striking end. A punching ball and it's into the gap and match is done. Single to end of the innings here.